Alex Starty here. Weather Insights. We're going to take a look at what's called a closed upper level low that breaks away from the main jet stream and wrap around moisture that brought widespread significant precipitation to Southern California. Let's take a look. The precipitation was widespread as shown here. All this area in the southwest received up to a ½ inch of rain. Even in San Diego County, a lot of places, a quarter to 3 or 4 tenths of rainfall. Now in the mountain areas, even more. Now, even in the desert, widespread precipitation occurred, even though it wasn't significant. The desert area has not received much precipitation. It's all way behind, 25% less than normal, and the drought has expanded over this past rainy season in the desert areas. So beneficial rain. If we look in the Big Bear area, a lot of places saw over an inch of rain, up to an inch and a half, with snow in the higher elevations. So very significant. This is important because this buys us some time, delays curing, and keeps things greener and helps our fire weather season as we go into May. Speaking of the snow, a couple inches of snow up around 8,000 feet as shown here in Bear Mountain up at the peak. So cold enough storm to bring snow. Now what is a closed upper low and what's wraparound? In order to get wraparound moisture, it's the dying part of the storm. So it's losing its cold air, losing its instability, but it has one more chance. It's drawing warm air up and around it, and that causes the atmosphere, that lighter air, to lift, and that causes condensation, clouds, and precipitation. So literally it's taking moisture all the way around itself. Even though it's choking itself off, it's bringing that moisture around the north end, causing additional precipitation. Now this shows it very well. The green area is the saturation. That's the clouds, that's precipitation. That's the result of the air being lifted, that warm air wrapping around. And when you have that, you form precipitation. You even get showers. If the sun is out, you'll have some instability and even get lightning like we saw in Southern California. So very beneficial rains, including our desert area. So that's the advantage of a closed upper level low and this wraparound moisture. It's not particular just to the mountains, so you can get precipitation in the drier regions of the Great Basin and the Southwest. Really where we did need it, even though it wasn't a lot of precipitation in that area. Beneficial precipitation for sure. I hope you liked this insight about wraparound moisture and the May storm. Well, storms this far south are rare in Southern California in May. It's common as the jet stream's retreating to get these closed upper lows in the west during the springtime. We're also on TikTok and X, so check us out there. Thank you, everyone.